Hello everyone, this is Sarah Garcia, your English tutor here at Aspire Lab, and today I'm going to be giving a short tutorial video on how to do MLA citations for a book and an article. So please follow. First, we have a book. And for MLA citations, you will begin with the author's last name, followed by a comma, and then the author's first name. Once you have entered that, you will insert a period. Then you will space, and you will put the title of the book. Note that the title of the book is italicized, which can be found under the font style on the upper left corner. And it's this highlighted I right here. So once you have inserted the title of the book, you will also insert a period. After you have done that, you will put the city of publication, followed by colon and the publisher. Usually you can find this on the back of the first page after you have opened the book. And then after you insert the publisher, you will insert a comma and you will put the year of publication. And that is also followed by a period. And then after that, you will insert the medium of publication, which is basically where you got the book from, or what type of source the book is. So here we have an example, in fact, of how you can cite a book. So here we have the author's last name and first name. So this is Blake James, and the title of his book is Chaos Making a New Science. Note that his title is also in italics. And then we can see that the city of publication is New York, and it's followed by a colon, and the publisher is Penguin. And it's followed by a comma right here, and the year of publication is 1987. And since the book is print, hard copy or loose leaf, nonetheless it's a print, so it is put here in the medium of publication. And so here we have a second one, Henley Patricia. The title of the book is The Hummingbird House. The city of publication is Denver, and the publisher, McMurray. And year of publication, 1999, and the medium of publication is print. And then for our second example today, we have an article. And I want to note that the difference between an article and a book is sort of different, so pay attention really quick. So here we have the same as a book. You will have the last name of the author and their first name, followed by a period. Now this is the difference between citing a book and an article. In an article, you have the title of the article and what you call quotation marks, that are placed in the beginning and at the end. After you have put the title of the article, you will put the title of the journal, which is the journal which the article is found in. Then you'll have the volume and the issue, and what goes between the volume and the issue is a period. And then after you have wrote the volume and the issue, you put the year between parentheses. And once you have entered the year, you will put a colon, and the page numbers that are used follow. And then after you insert the page numbers, you will put the medium of publication. So here we have two examples of how to cite an article. Here you have Duvall John. So we can see that his last name comes first and then his first name, followed by a period. This is his article. Articles are usually long titles, so if you ever see a title that's really long, don't freak out. It's pretty much normal. So we can see that the title is in quotation marks, one at the beginning and one at the end. And then we can see that the title of the journal which it was published in is Arizona Quarterly. So we can also see that the volume and the issue are here put together with a period in between. So make note of that. The volume goes first, and then followed by a period, and then the issue number. And then right next to it, we can see that the year of publication publication is 1994. Then you will insert a colon and then you will put the page numbers that you used. In this case, the page numbers used are pages 127 through page 153. And we can also see that the medium of publication is print, meaning it's a hard copy and you can see it. Now, one trick I want to show you that I know a lot of people have is how do you get this indentation? People will come, they're like, I don't know how to do it, so I'll just give you a brief tutorial on how to do it right now. So, the easiest way you want to do is you highlight your entire paragraph and you will right click. Once you have right click, you will go up to where it says paragraph and then you're going to click it. Now here you have, it takes you to indents and spacing. You'll have general, indentation, and spacing. In this case, you want to make an indentation, so you will refer yourself to this middle section right here. And usually you want your indentation to the right, so you will go to right, and then you'll insert how long or how much you want it to indent. Professors usually ask you to do an indentation of ½ inch. So here I have moved it to ½ inch, and then here you'll use the down arrow and you will click hanging. So once you have done that, you can press OK and your citation would automatically indent. So that's a trick I hope you can learn, but if you need any more help citing a book, an article, or anything beyond that, just come by the Aspire Lab in Cortez 108 and we will be glad to help you. So you have a nice day, and if you need any more help, you can click on the link below to OWL Purdue. Have a good one.